Have you ever stopped to think that a simple food combination might be silently sabotaging your health, especially after age 60? Imagine that something as harmless as what's on your plate every day could be accelerating aging, damaging your heart, your mind, and even shortening your lifespan. And the worst part, most people have no idea. Today, you're going to discover the 5 foods you should never mix after turning 60. According to a brand new study, this information is urgent because if you or someone you love is over 60, what you're about to learn could be the difference between living with vitality and energy, or facing a silent health decline that could have been prevented. As we age, the body changes, metabolism slows down, digestion becomes more sensitive, and the risk of conditions like diabetes, high blood pressure, Alzheimer's, and heart disease rises sharply. What the body once handled with ease now becomes a potential health threat. That's why food choices after 60 require more than just eating healthy. You must understand how certain foods interact with each other inside the body, and this is where danger hides. Some common combinations found in almost every kitchen trigger silent inflammation, liver overload, and even block nutrient absorption. What seems like a harmless meal could be slowly undermining your health. To the new study that raised the alarm. Scientific authority plus curiosity. A recent study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition examined how different food combinations affect adults over 60. The research followed 1,200 participants for 5 years and revealed something alarming. Certain combinations of foods increased the risk of degenerative diseases by up to 37% and early mortality by up to 52%. Researchers found that the issue wasn't just individual foods, but how they're absorbed and digested together. So, even if you think you're eating healthy with fruits, veggies, and proteins, you might still be making a dangerous mistake without realizing it. 3. Food number 1. Milk plus citrus fruits. The digestion disruptor. Let's start with a combination that seems harmless. Milk and citrus fruits like orange, pineapple, or strawberries. Many people drink milk and eat fruit at breakfast or even blend them together in smoothies, but this mix can be harmful. The citric acid in fruits curdles the proteins in milk, making digestion much harder. It can lead to bloating, poor calcium absorption, and increased mucus production in the gut. For people over 60, with slower digestion, this combination can cause acid, reflux, gas, and even long-term intestinal inflammation. Researchers say this type of gastric overload is linked to chronic fatigue and nutrient deficiency in older adults. 4. Food number 2. Red meat plus cheese. The hidden inflammation bomb. Next up, if you love cheeseburgers or meat lasagna, pay attention. Mixing heavy animal proteins with saturated fats like red meat and cheese creates a perfect storm for inflammation. It raises LDL, or bad cholesterol, and increases insulin resistance. According to the study, this combo raises the risk of heart disease by 43% in people over 60. It also worsens cognitive decline and speeds up muscle loss. The aging body processes these substances more slowly, causing toxin buildup and liver stress. A smarter choice. Replace cheese with avocado and opt for lean grilled meats paired with antioxidant-rich veggies. 5. Food number 3. White bread plus jam. The silent sugar spike. Who hasn't had toast with jam for breakfast? Seems innocent, but it's a glycemic time bomb. Especially after 60, white bread has a high glycemic index, meaning it turns into sugar quickly in the bloodstream. When paired with sugary jam, it causes a massive blood sugar spike that overwhelms the pancreas and contributes to type 2 diabetes. The study showed that people who frequently eat this combo are 3 times more likely to develop insulin resistance. A healthier swap, whole grain bread with fiber and natural toppings like peanut butter or mashed avocado. 6. Food number 4. Fruit juice plus main meals. The invisible liver overload. Drinking orange juice or grape juice with lunch may sound healthy, but here's the truth. Combining fruit juice with meals high in carbs or fat can damage your liver. Natural fruit sugar fructose is absorbed very quickly. When combined with high-calorie meals, it overloads the liver, especially in aging bodies. This leads to visceral fat buildup, chronic inflammation, and even fatty liver disease. Experts recommend drinking juices on their own, away from meals, or better yet, eating the whole fruit to benefit from fiber and slower sugar absorption. Finally, a common mistake: taking iron supplements with coffee. Many older adults take iron to treat anemia or low absorption, but coffee contains polyphenols that block iron absorption in the intestines. So even if you're taking supplements, your body might not be using them. This leads to fatigue, brittle nails, hair loss, and a weakened immune system. To avoid this, keep at least a 1-hour gap between coffee and iron-rich foods or supplements. Now you understand why certain combinations, even with healthy foods, can become toxic after age 60. This isn't fear-mongering. It's science. Food can be your best medicine or your silent enemy. If you or someone you love is over 60, this is your wake-up call. Small changes, like avoiding these harmful combos, can dramatically improve your energy, immune system, and even your lifespan. And the best part, it's never too late to make better choices and restore your body's natural balance. If this video helped you, hit the like button now so more people can access this life-saving info. Share this with your parents, grandparents, or friends over 60. It could change their lives. And if you want more science-based health tips designed to help you live better and longer, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you never miss the next video. Take care and see you in the next one.